Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 10th to the 14th of April 2023 on Monday. The Mulapo family help Mulefe deals with heartbreak and Neo find himself in a compromising position on Tuesday. Nikiwe is starting to feel neglected. Excitement built over House of Zwide's new project on Wednesday. Les and Nikiwe's conflict is slowly transforming into an all-out war, and Simon makes a surprising move on Thursday. Les and Nikiwe hit a major roadblock which could ruin the project. Keleto discovers something interesting on Friday. Honor and Neo find themselves on a different sides in the war in House of Zwide. Dorothy continues to fight to make things right. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.